First, I found the song that I want the AI to cover. Second, I choose an AI voice to cover my song. Third, I upload the file manually or paste the YouTube link in the Google Colab page and I'm done. Hi, I'm Danny, and in this video, I will show you how to cover a song with just one YouTube link. We'll separate the original vocal and instrumental, cover the song, and then merge the instrumental with the AI vocal, all with just one click. So stay with me until the end to witness this wonderful tutorial. Step 1. Due to copyright issues, I choose this song from the YouTube library. You can do this with any song, but make sure you have permission, and it's your responsibility to check and consider copyright for the song you want to cover. Now let's play a few seconds of the song I chose.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. And suddenly, all at once, my legs won't let me stand. I scratch till my fingers go numb, but my skin never bleeds.
Step 2. Click on the Discord AI Hub channel link in the description and join the server. Then, navigate to the voice model section and search for the voice you want, then copy the download link. It should be at the top of the post. If your link is a direct link, meaning the link ends with .zip, then you're good to go and can skip the explanations I'm going to give. Go to the Colab section of this video, but if your desired voice model doesn't have a direct link, for example, if the links are for Google Drive or Mega, stay with me. For this tutorial, we need a direct link to the zip file of our desired voice model. At first, I chose this Dua Lipa voice model because it has a direct link, but the result was not good at all. Let's listen to a few seconds of the result.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands.
So I chose my previously selected voice model that worked well, but it doesn't have a direct link. In this situation, you have two options. Download the file and then upload it into an upload center, like this one or any similar website you want. This site doesn't need you to register, and it will give you a direct link. But be aware it removes uploaded files after 6 days. Simply drag and drop the file into the browser window and wait until the file upload is complete. Now right-click on the file name and select Copy Link Address. Another choice is to sign up and then log into Hugging Face website. You can find the link in the description. Then click on this icon and click on New Model. Fill in a model name with any name you want, then click on Create Model. Now click on the Files and Versions tab. After that, click on Add File, then Upload Files. Drag your voice model zip file here and click on Commit Changes to Main. Then wait for the upload to complete. Now right-click on the little download icon and select Copy Link Address. That's it. Now you have a direct link for the voice model you want. Before we go to step 3, if you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Step 3. Click on the Colab link provided in the description. On the Colab page, click the play button on the first 3 cells in cell 4 in the URL section. Paste the voice model link you copied in step 2 and here, type the name for your model, then run the cell. In cell 5 in the song input section, either put the YouTube link for your song, or drag your song file here and wait until the upload is complete. Then click the 3 dots and select Copy Path and paste it into the song input section. For now though, I'm going to use the YouTube link, so I'll copy that link and paste it here. You must enter exactly the name you entered for your model in cell 4 in this field. Before I run the cell, let's talk about the settings. The pitch change option is for vocals only. It means it only affects the vocals. Generally use 1 for male to female conversions and -1 for vice versa. If you set it to -1, the sound becomes deeper and 1 makes the sound thinner. I'm not going to change it. The pitch change all option. changes the pitch or key of vocals and instrumentals together. Altering this slightly reduces sound quality, so I'll leave it as is. We have some voice conversion options here in general. This option relates to the index file in the zip file. The index file stores the model's accent. The index rate option controls how much of the AI voice's accent is kept in the vocals, so the higher the value, the more the accent is audible. I didn't test the filter radius, remix mix rate, and protect rate options, so I don't know how they affect the output. You can test them out. For pitch detection algorithm, the best option is our MVPE, which has greater clarity in vocals, followed by Mongiocrape, which has smoother vocals. I'm using the first one. In the audio mixing options section, you can adjust the volume for main vocals, backup vocals, and music. For example, if the backing vocals end up too loud, you can reduce them, or if you want to, increase the original volume. You can make these changes here. The last settings you have are the reverb controls. The reverb size option controls the reverb time. The larger the value, the longer the echo. If you set it to 0, there is no echo, and higher values are usually more resonant. I'm not going to change the other settings for now, but later I'll get one result with a higher reverb value to demonstrate how it works. For now though, I'll go with these settings. You can choose between the two output formats. I'm going with the default. Now let's run the cell and see the result. The process is complete. In this last line, you can see the path to the output. Usually it's in the song output folder. But check that last line to see the full path. In case you're working with multiple songs or models, in the output folder, you can also find the separated main vocals, backup vocals, and instrumental for the original song. Now click the 3 dots and download the output. Let's play the result.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. And suddenly all at once my legs won't let me stand. I scratch till my fingers go numb, but my skin never bleeds.
Now I'll increase the reverb size value. To see how it affects the output and run the cell again, let's hear the result.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. And suddenly all at once my legs won't let me stand.
It's very clear how it changes the output. We can distinctly hear the echo. Another point I want to mention is that you can simply enter another song link and run the cell again to get results for different songs. If you want to work with another model, simply navigate to the Discord AI Hub channel and search for a new model. Then copy its link and paste it here. But be sure to change the model name, otherwise it won't work and you'll get an error. Now run the cell again. Your new model is now ready to use. But make sure to enter exactly the new name of the model here before you run the last cell. I created another video about covering songs with AI. That uses RVC with a GUI, but it has a timeout problem. In that tutorial, I used RVC with the interface. But the issue was it would time out quickly and the Colab connection would disconnect. I also wanted to try using Kaggle, but it recently has the same problem. You can still watch that video because it's partially functional if you prefer RVC with a GUI. You may want to explore that option. And also if you want to know how to create hyper-realistic AI influencers in 4 easy steps, make sure not to miss this video too.